14 Rules of Money. Number 1. Focus on earning. Number 2. Learn how to invest. Number 3. Pay yourself first. Number 4. Always have an emergency fund. Number 5. Control your expenses. Number 6. Invest at least 10% of your income. Number 7. Invest most of your savings. Number 8. Don't be a slave of money. Number 9. Nobody got rich only from savings. Number 10. Invest only in what you understand. Number 11. Never stop learning. Number 12. Start as soon as you can. Number 13. Track your money. Number 14. Don't spend money you don't have. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.